Hello everyone. Hello, welcome to all of you in the new session of Tinkerpreneur 2021-22. And in this section, we are just going to talk about the digital skill. So what is the digital skill and how we require digital skill? This is very important chapter, very important to know before doing something else in our further session. So digital skill is very important nowadays to learn by everyone, because there are most of the things, most of the gadgets, and the whole world is now driven by technology and innovation. So to innovate something new, to think something new, we are all using a digital apps and digital machineries also. So digital skill is very important in this sense, to acquire the knowledge of digital work, how to just perform our work, how to do on the digital devices or digital gadgets, and how we can utilize these digital gadgets to innovate something new. Okay, so we should learn, and everybody should learn this one. In this session, in today's session, we are just going to learn about the importance of digital skill and how digital skill will help us to improve our thinking style, improve our innovative mind and innovative thinkings area. So in this session we are just going to learn about this one. Of all the technologies nowadays, digital technologies have been creating the most profound impact on our life. So as we are just knowing this one, we are just living in the world of technology, and in every day-to-day life, different types of digital technologies and technologies are affecting our lifestyle, and it becomes an integral part of our life also. So you can see here that mobile app, different types of mobile apps, we cannot live without this one. Web applications, different types of web applications, internet, even we do not live without internet one day, as it is just seems like this one. Social media platform, there are so many social media platform now available. We are spending a lots of time on these social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitters, and there are so many different social media accounts also. Similarly, Internet of Things, because how we can just work on the internet, how we can use the internet, and how we can apply the different application of internet in our life. Similarly, robotics is another field that put effective impact in our life, affected our day-to-day work also. Another one is the data analyst. So now we know that all the students come to know this one, that CBSE also introduced data science in our course, in our syllabus, in our curriculum. So data analyst just required to just collect the different data and then analyze the performance of the organization, performance of anything, either mobile app or either your any program or your study also. So in every field, data analyst is required nowadays to make our performance better. Artificial intelligence is another technical field or a digital field, where we can just see that how machineries or how mechanical device performs with the help of technology. So how we can control the mechanical device with the help of voice. So these types of technologies we are just facing every day. Chatbot and voice assistants, we are now using a Alexa, we are using a Google Assistant, voice assistant, and chatbot also. So many institutions, so many financial institutions or other institutions providing a chatbot facility to know something about the organizations without getting any personal help instantly. Okay, so apart from all of this, virtual and augmented reality. So we are living in a world of the virtual reality, and metaverse is also coming now. So we will discuss in the further session. But the augmented reality, just performing the something topic, any topics in a very real way. So how you can just do it, this becomes an integral part of life also. Big data and a blockchain. So all these are the topics. There are a vast range of topics, okay, that will affect our life with a technology and a digital technologies. So we just comes to know that how digital technology in just entered in our life, entered in our day-to-day lifestyle, and how it affecting our working way of working also. So all these are the integral part of this one. So digital technology is very important and playing a very important role in our life. Now in today's digital economy, digital skills are must to have, because we know that we are living in the world of innovations and technology, innovation of technology, and all these just driven the world economy also. So we can say that in this time, world economy is driven by technology and innovation. Similarly, so digital tools and technologies and skills are the backrock of the backbone of the today's thinkers, innovators, and entrepreneurs. So in today's times, all of these entrepreneurs or thinkers or innovators work with the help of these technologies or digital tools or digital devices. So how this one doing now? Digital technology, digital tools, digital library, and digital skills. So how just this one affecting our life? You can just see here that technologies. So electronic tools, automatic systems, technological devices, software applications, and resources that generate, process, store, transmit, or receive the information. So all these digital technologies are used to generate the idea, generate the resources, generate the information, process the information also, and just store the information. We can just store all the information in a digital way and transmit the information, and how we can receive and send the data or information from one place to another place in a digital form. So this digital technology is playing a very important role in our life in today's time. Similarly, digital tools, website or online resources that can make tasks easier to complete. Nowadays, all the digital tools, whether we are using internet, whether we are using WhatsApp or any other platform also. So all these online resources make our task easier, in sense of we are just completing your task also, homework also. And if you just feel difficulties in any programs or any question, we start Google now. We started Google now, and then find out the solution from there. So these digital tools we required in every step of life. Without these digital tools, we cannot imagine our life. Okay, so these are playing a very important role in our lives. So digital literacy, okay, exposure to digital technologies like internet, online tools, social media and social media platforms, mobile apps, and computing devices also. So needed to live, learn, and work effectively in today's digital world. So in today's digital world, what we are living, what we are doing, and what we are learning, and how we are working, and every field is affected. So exposure to digital technologies like internet and online tools, social media, and mobile apps, and other computing devices, all these together affecting our work and supporting our work to complete it. So digital literacy is very important part of this digital skill. Now apart from this one, all these three things just make the persons literate or digital literates. So ability to understand and use digital technology tools or devices, applications or other networks for creating, managing and exchange information online. So when we are utilizing all these tools to create, to manage, to store, to share, exchange information online is known as digital skill. So whatever you are working and how you are working your work, how you are doing your work and how you are delivering your work to the others with the help of these digital devices, it comes under the digital skill. Okay, so now this one is known as digital. So these are the different areas of different technical areas or digital areas that affect our skills. Now digital technologies allow us to create a varieties of digital products and services. So with the help of these digital technologies, with the help of these digital devices, we can create a variety of digital product and different types of services also. For example, you can see that gadget, tablet, WhatsApp, Google Meet, Zoom also. Okay, Amazon's Flipkart, and there are so many online shopping site also, Netflix and Prime Video also. So you can see that there are so many things we are using. Okay, so digital watch also, mobile phones, calculator, keyboards, tab also, and of course we are using a automated car also. So all these are the digital devices, a digital product and different types of services like online study, Byju's, Vedantos and others like this one. So all these are driven by the digital technology. So whatever technologies we just learned in the previous slide, all these technologies used to produce a different types of device services and product to make our life easier. So these digital devices need to perform or need to transform our life in a very easy way. So this digital product and services just easily transform our life that we never expect or that we never think before today. So how these are changing our life? Okay, you can just see here what. So a smart personal health diagnosis devices, okay, transforming healthcare services. So you can say that in easy way, a health wristwatch we are just wearing in our wrist. That watch just tell you about the heartbeat. That watch tell you about your walking, how much distance you cover while you are walking. So morning walk. So all these digital devices just diagnose our body movement, our body activities, and then informing us about it one. So rewalk robots for skeletons or transforming life of paralytics. So some people facing their physical problems. Okay, but in today's times there are so many robotic arms, robotic legs, and all these are the devices. All these are these electronic gadgets support the people to live their life very easily. So these are technologies just affecting our life in a very vast way. Let's start first 3D printed car. Now we just learned, we studied in our courses also. 3D printers print the 3D model of any object. An object may be a car, object may be any toys, object may be any devices. So you can now print a device very easily with the help of 3D printer. Okay, so Maruti and others companies start printing their cars parts with the help of 3D printers nowadays, and they just reduce their manufacturing cost also. So in manufacturing industries, when the manufacturer using a 3D printer, with the help of 3D printers, they start reducing their manufacturing cost, and they need a very less labor or less manpower to do their work. So it will just make our life easier. Another, you can see that Amazon or a Flipkart and any others online shopping services, these services amazingly very fast than the manual work also. As we are just ordering the product at home, and within 2 or 3 days we can get our delivery also. So how this IoT, Internet of Things, or AI based online services, online shopping services make our life so easy. We do not need to go to the market and select the product, but we can get our product at home easily, doorstep easily. And another one is Alexa. We are already familiar. Alexa, a voice-based, AI-based voice assistant service. So with the help of Alexa, you can do your different types of home services also, and different types of searching services also. So with Alexa, you can easily control the devices at home with the help of voice. Okay, you can order the Alexa, and Alexa will switch on your fan, switch on your light, switch on your geyser, switch on your freeze, and any other electronic devices very easily. So Alexa like voice assistant services just transform our life in a very easy way. Okay, so this one is modern technologies we are using. Another one is a virtual reality. So nowadays you are just virtually complete your tour, okay, of any historical place or any monuments or any religious place also. Now we are just worship our God through internet also. We are just worship our God and then getting the prasad, okay, at the doorstep also. So virtual reality make our tour transforming the tourism industries very easily, and at the home we can travel the whole world with the help of this virtual reality. Okay, so all these are make our lives so easy and interesting. So digital transformation now change our living lifestyle, and of course it just make our life easier than earlier. So all these are happens only due to digital skills. Now we are moving into the second with the adoption of a smart, adaptive, and cognitive machines. So now we are living in the second machine age. We just say that this is a machine age, and most of the works done by the machine, done with the help of machine. Okay, you can get the example of Uber self-driving car, Ola self-driving car. So you do not need a driver. You do not need to worry about the driving skill of the driver. So self-driven car will safely reach you to their destination. So you can easily reach your destination with the help of this self-driving car without any accident. So human robot also. So you can just make a different types of work with the help of the human robot. Just like a receptionist, you can get a human robot to perform a research work also. Artificial intelligence also just make our medical work very easier to identify or diagnose the disease easily. Similarly, you can say that the different machine is in working with the bottom dynamic logistic robots also. So robots are now working in the logistic area also. Okay, and there are so many different areas also in which digital devices or digital machines are working. So what are the importance of acquiring, why we need to acquire digital skill? So when we just come to learn that what are the different digital area, different digital devices we are using in our life, what importance of acquiring digital skill? So what we will get from learning digital skills? So number one is knowledge and skill in digital tools and technology will help lay a strong foundation for your future. Definitely. In most of the work will driven by technology. Most of the work the technology. So if you are not aware about the digital tools or the digital gadgets, and if you are not having a digital skill, then how you can do your work? So knowledge and skill in digital tools and technologies will help to make your foundation strong in field of technology. So how can you can just control the future devices also. Another one is what? It will help you not only become familiar with some of the latest and emerging digital technologies or different platforms and tools, but also enable you to use them to express yourself creatively. So digital skill will not only aware you about the emerging digital technologies, different types of platforms or different types of digital tools, but make you enable to use them in a very creative way. Use them to control all these devices. So if you just having a digital skill, you can do it. Digital skill can also enable you to package your creative skill in the form of innovative product and services. So if you are digitally skilled, then you can package your creative skill, creative mindset, creative thinkings, okay, and you can create or form a new innovative product. You can produce different types of services also, digital services also, offer them to the customers, and then you can sell it also and earn income also. So if you are just digitally skilled, then you can use your creative mind to make your own product, make your own services and deliver to the customer, and then earn passive money from these types of services. So while you are selling, while you are just studying and learning the different types of apps or different types of technologies, you can sell your product very effectively, okay, and learn the ropes of the entrepreneurship earlier in your life, so that CBSE and the Government of India also wanted to train our students in early age to acquire the knowledge of the entrepreneurship in your life, okay. So if you are learn about the entrepreneurship, if you have learned about the digital skill as early as in your life, you have lots of time to utilize this technique, utilize your mind to prepare or utilize your mind to produce a different types of product and services, okay. So that maybe become a earning way in your life. So you can see that there are so many students earning money from YouTubes. There are so many students earning while teaching the others also, okay. So all these are the services. If you are just providing the service with the help of digital tools, you can start earning the money also. So technology will make you independent also, independent in every area also. So individuals who embrace the digital technologies will reap the benefit of digital economy and digital transformation significantly in the coming years, okay. So every individuals, okay, so who just wanted to learn digital technology, then they can just acquire the deep knowledge of these digital gadgets and get the benefit of digital economy, and how they can digitally transform their knowledge, transform their skills in a very significant way to make their career grow, okay, in coming years also. So if you are start learning from this age, you can easily utilize your talent, utilize your knowledge in a coming years. So those who don't will be at a huge disadvantage in the world. You can just come forward now. Now the next one is cloud-based digital tools. Apart from all of these digital skills, cloud-based digital tools and platforms make it easier for anyone to acquire digital skills, build digital product, market and sell them online. Okay, so there are so many things: Google Play Store, Amazon.com, okay, technical teachables machine also, and Coursera, Stacks, YouTube, Kickstarter, Facebook, and there are so many things. You can just go and then go through it. And all these companies are selling their product in the market, selling their services in the market. Now, Digital skill will open a world of new possibilities. So why you should learn digital skill? Why you should acquire digital skill? Because it will open a world of possibilities. Okay, so there are plenty of digital tools and platforms with which you can tinkers, build prototypes or product. So you can think differently, you can build your own product, you can build your prototypes and then convert your prototype into product also, and you can start earning from them. So you can build digital products and services and sell them to paying customers while still studying. So it is not required to grow as much as young to start earning. You can still start earning from your childhood. Okay, if you have a very good idea, if you just convert your idea into prototype and prototypes into product, you can start earning from this age also. So all you need is a computer as an internet connection to start your own part-time online business. So what do you need to start this one? You need only internet connection, you need a computer, you need a laptops, and you need a skill mind from where you can start thinking creatively. Okay, so all these make you ready to start your own part-time online businesses. So all these things make you happy. So digital devices make us happy in this field, and there are so many products nowadays ready to work in this field. Okay, so at the last we can say that all these digital devices, all these digital skills make you ready to face the challenges whatever the coming in the future. So whatever the challenges you will face in the futures, digital skill will make you ready at this time. Okay, so in this sessions we just learned about the digital skill, different types of digital area, digital technologies, digital gadgets, and how we can utilize these digital gadgets. We can just learn in our further session. Next session I will just guide you how to utilize these types of digital gadgets, how we can make our games, how we can make our mobile app, how we can make our chatbot, and how we can utilize these digital tools for our make our life better. So still till then, thank you very much everyone. Keep yourself healthy and good.